Let's look at the most important conversion factors. The first conversion factor is that 1 gallon is equal to 231 inches cubed. So let's say we want to find 7/11ths of a gallon in terms of inches cubed. So 1 gallon is 231 inches cubed. So we can take 7/11ths of 231, dividing these two, we get 21. So we have 21 times 7, and this will be 147. So 7/11ths of a gallon is 147 inches cubed. The next important conversion factor is 1 gallon is equal to 4 quarts. So let's say we want to find 3 gallons in terms of quarts. So 1 gallon is 4 quarts. So 3 gallons will be 3 times 4. So that'll be 12. So it's 12 quarts. The next one is 1 gallon is equal to 8 pints. So let's say we want to find 2 gallons in terms of pints. We have to do 2 times 8. This will be 16. So 2 gallons is 16 pints. The next one is that 1 gallon is equal to 128 ounces. So let's say we want to find how many gallons 512 ounces is. So we're going to have to divide 512 by 128. This will be 4. So 512 ounces is 4 gallons. Next, let's look at 1 quart is equal to 32 ounces. So let's say we want to find 128 ounces in terms of quarts. What we're going to do is we're going to divide 128 by 32. This will be 4. So 128 ounces is 4 quarts. The next one is that 1 pint is equal to 16 ounces. So let's say we want to find the number of ounces in 4 pints. What we're going to do is multiply 4 with 16. This will be 64. So 4 pints is 64 ounces. Next, we have 1 quart equal to 2 pints. And let's say we want to find how many quarts 18 pints is. What we're going to do is we're going to divide 18 by 2. So this will be 9. So we have 9 quarts. Next, we have 1 mile is equal to 5,280 feet. So let's say we want to find the number of feet in 3 miles. What we're going to do is we're going to multiply 3 by 5,280. This will be 15,840 feet. Next, we have that 1 mile is equal to 1,760 yards. So let's say we want to find the number of yards in 3 miles. We're going to multiply 3 with 1,760. This will be 5,280 yards. Next, we have that 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. So let's say we want to find the number of feet in 83 yards. We're going to multiply 83 by 3. This will be 249 feet. Next, we have that 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. So let's say we want to find the number of inches in 12 feet. We're going to multiply 12 with 12. This will be 144. So 12 feet is 144 inches. Lastly, we have that 1 yard is equal to 36 inches. So let's say we want to find the number of yards in 144 inches. We're going to do 144 divided by 36. This will be 4. So 144 inches is 4 yards. While the examples that I showed you in this video are quite simple, conversion factors can get really, really tricky. I've linked a practice worksheet and its answers in the comment section, so make sure to go check those out.